In front of me is iiiF150 Raptor 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called OS Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. This one, that's sponsored by the way. When your app is ready, you don't have to open it. You can exit Play Store and go into Settings. Now tap on Apps. Select Default Apps under General. And then click on Home App. Now to apply your launcher, select Launcher Pro and make sure to tap on Allow All in the pop-up for it to work. Then wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wanna make any changes to it, you can go into Launcher Pro app and manage all of its options. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, enter default home app settings again and click on Quick Step. You can switch between them whenever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!